Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to all of you to the World Car Awards annual Winners Awards ceremony here in New York.
Good morning, everyone. Buenos días a todos. Now, the urban car is especially relevant among those who buy a car for its size and price, those who need mobility in busy cities and tight spaces. The city car for daily use is the axis of global mobility for millions, not only because of its size, but especially for those who are looking for better priced cars around the globe. Mega cities with populations of millions, narrow streets, intense traffic, and excess local emissions are the basis for more intelligent, compact, and less polluting vehicles. The needs and desires of millions lie right in this segment. Here are the top 3 in the world finalists for 2025 World Urban Car.
2025 World Urban Car. BYD Seagull Dolphin MINI. Hyundai Insta Casper Electric. Mini Cooper Electric.
Now I have the golden seal envelope from KPMG. Let's figure it out. And the 2025 World Urban Car is the BYD Seagull Dolphin MINI. Congratulations.
For this award. I'm represent 1 million BYD staff, so thrilled to receiving this award today. This is the 20 urban cars. This is the car through our innovation. It's like a stylish design and equipped with all the high tech. In China, the Seagull has all the highway auto drive function. And then in overseas, we call the Dolphin MINI is the best, most affordable electric car. It's the car you can connect with your cell phone and use your smartphone to open. You never need to carry the key. And then most importantly, you have all the voice control. And then you can go to the beach to give your V2G, cook your coffee. And then if you have some your personal celebration, it's a karaoke machine. So that is the kind of not only the transportation, the tools, it's your partner, your cutie, your small like assistant for all the high tech, but it's affordable price. So now very soon we're going to launch this car in Europe by next month. We call the Dolphin Surf. So we hope this car is the first dream for the electrification, first dream for the high tech and all the accessible technology. That is all the innovation we try to bring to customer and changing every people's life and they enjoy the renewable energy. So we're so thrilled here today and highly appreciate all the members from the World Cars and the jury and the journalists. And I believe you are same with the other customer from BYD globally, really falling in love with this stylish 20 smart tools. Thank you.